Hey guys, my name is James Aiken, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. You will need 1 cup of peanut butter, half cup of brown sugar, and 1 egg. Put all 3 ingredients into a mixing bowl.
Mix all 3 together with a whisk.
With your hand, take 1 bowl from a cookie dough mixture and roll into a bowl.
Put the bowl of cookie dough into a tray, like this. Squash the cookie dough with a fork. Like this.
Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. After pull the cookies out of the oven, let it cool for 30 minutes. After the cookies are cooled for 30 minutes, enjoy it plain or have it as a snack or with milk. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel called James Aiken or Jake in 2002. Hit the bell for notifications and smash the like button. It took me a while to edit because I was busy. Now I had some help with the voiceover and other bits and bobs. So long, folks. James out!